Well, I thought I'd tell you how we nailed down our 2x6 tongue and groove pine flooring. There was no video on this. You cannot use a standard floor nail that you hammer in, which is a problem. But we were able to use gun nails. And what I bought was very specialized gun nail. These are ring shank, but more importantly, they're a thin nail as opposed to a standard common nail. Rather than being 100.131 in diameter, these are 0.120 diameter. They're 3 inches long, which you need for that to get through that tongue and groove on an angle. What's important is that you get the nail in at basically a 45-degree angle. These are some samples I did before I actually started the floor, and as you can see, pretty much did not have a problem with the tongues on these. Again, these are samples. I broke maybe 3 tongues in the entire floor of, it's close to 700 square feet of tongue and groove that we put in. Notice it doesn't come through the bottom, but they do go on an angle, and since they're ring shank, they are almost impossible to get out once you shoot them in, so don't make a mistake. They are very hard to pull. I wish I'd taken some I wish I'd taken some pictures of us doing it. Shoot the gun at a 45-degree angle is the best way to do that. I wish I'd taken some pictures, but we were too busy laying the floor, quite frankly, and I wasn't intending on doing this. But I hope somebody finds this helpful, in that you can use a gun nail and gun nail a 2 inch by 6 inch 2x6 tongue and groove flooring. I'm a little tongue-tied with it. After putting that much flooring in, you'd get that way. I will point out to you, too, that you really need a pipe clamp to get some of these boards to fit together straight. It's not the best lumber in the world. It's just common white pine tongue and groove, basically 2x4s milled with a tongue and groove in it. So, but it looks beautiful. As I'll show you on the bottom side here of our floor, main floor, we think it's just gorgeous. We love the looks of it. And quite frankly, saves us having to put up ceiling, too. So I hope to get a few more videos done. I'm not going to be able to do a complete log cabin as I hope to. We just ran into too many problems, one of which was the fact that it took us about 6 months, 6.5 months to get the permitting through. Had to have an engineer. It's considered non-standard construction, so we had a lot of hoops to get through. So rather than having the permit done, which I had hoped to have in February, we actually didn't get this done, to get the permit approval, until end of July 2019. Then by that time we had hit lots of construction here in Prescott, and created a problem with me with my foundation guy.